Vinayak and we have hosted it on Heroku. The name of the web application is ShopSmart, and this application enables users to find products in local stores all over the US.
Our application uses the API provided by Goodzer, which gives us comprehensive coverage of more than 2.5 billion inventory items in about 500,000 store locations.
So basically, local stores do not have online presence, and the only way to know the variety of products being sold in a store is by actually visiting it. For example, if a customer wants to buy a pair of shoes, so he will actually have to go to all the stores which are nearby his house and look for the variety of shoes that the stores are selling.
However, our application, ShopSmart, provides a platform for customers to find products in local stores online. Users can find products in stores within a given radius and sort the search results by relevance, distance, price, and even stores. Customers can like, comment on, and make favorite uh, whichever products they choose to along with the stores. And the store owners can view the likes and comments received by users of their shops and even products and can comment back on them.
So the architecture and technology stack we are using is mean stack, where M stands for MongoDB, which is the database behind our application. E stands for Express.js, which is a web app framework for Node.js. A stands for AngularJS, which is a structural framework for dynamic web applications. And N stands for Node.js, which is the platform for our backend.
We have used three APIs in our project. The Goodza API gives us the product data of which products are located in which all stores. The Google Maps JavaScript API gives us access to Google Maps, so where we can place markers on and we can place markers on the locations of the stores so that the users can see where exactly they are and how far from their location. And we also use the Lyft API, which helps users book a ride directly through our application to reach the stores of their choice.
So the data model that we have used in our project is basically we have used MongoDB, which is non-relational database. So the data models that we have used are actor models, product models, store models, and registration request models. So you can see on the screen the schema of all the data models that we have used. So this is the actor schema, this is the product schema, this is the store schema, and this is the registration request schema. So now I would like to quickly demonstrate the functionality of this web application in front of you. So here we are on the landing page of the application. So if we navigate down using this button, then we can know more about the application, which basically says what I told you a few minutes back, that ShopSmart gives you access to millions of products in thousands of local stores. If we navigate further down, then you can see the contact details of the makers of this web application, Ashton Vaz and Darshan Panse, and you can also see the email addresses and you can reach us out over there. So let's now quickly navigate upwards and test the functionality of this application. So first, I would like to start by demonstrating about the register functionality. So basically, our application can have two kinds of users. One is the customer, which is user, and other is the store owner. So let's first log in as a store owner. I mean register as a store owner. So let's register as Alice. So username will be Alice. First name will be Alice. Oops. Last name, let's say Wonderland, and email address can be a@a.com, and password Alice, and confirm password Alice. So okay, this much detail I guess is fine. So let's um, actually let's make Alice as a customer. So if we select the customer radio button and sign up, then we will navigate to the profile page. So as you can see, there are a bunch of options, other options which you can edit and add details about address, city, state, zip code, date of birth, etc., etc. in the profile. So for example, address can be okay, whatever is the suggestion. City, let's say Boston, Boston, and state will be Mass. So Massachusetts. Zip code can be 02115. Date of birth, and let's select female as the gender. And there is also an option of change password. So if Alice wants, then she can change her password. And so after this after filling all this form, if Alice selects on the update button, then the details will get updated, and as you can see, the profile got updated. And there are also two tabs on the right hand side, with one is my favorites and other one is following and followers. So my favorites has again two nav tabs which are products in stores, and following followers have two tabs which are following and followers. These are empty right now because Alice has just registered. And let's log out as Alice now. There is also search functionality on this page through which we can search. For example, if you want to search Nike shoes, maybe SHOES, and location as Alice's address, which is 212 Hemingway Street. And if Alice presses on search, so we go to the product list page. And as you can see on the product list page, to the left hand side is the list of products, a list of Nike shoes from the shops which lie within a 10-mile radius of the address 212 Hemingway Street, which is input by Alice. And on the right hand side on Google Map, we can see the locations of those shops, those stores. So we can also drag the circle to change the location. So if I drag this circle and put here, so notice in the address bar the location has been changed and the results have been updated. Similarly, we can also change the radius within which we want to find the stores by dragging the sides of the circle like this. So the search results change again and are confined to the radius whatever we input. And there is a sort by option where we can sort by relevance, distance, price low to high, price high to low. So for example, I want to see the all the stores which are nearest to my address, so I can sort by distance, so only those stores appear which are nearest to my address. If I do price high to low, then all the products with high price appear. And if I can also sort by relevance, that is most relevant products to my search term. And there is also stores option where I can select one of the stores from all the available stores which are near my house within a 7-mile radius currently. And if I press on one of the stores, then only data from only those stores will appear. For example, if I click on finish line, so data that is products from only the store finish line appear in my search results. So now let's log out from Alice, and let's create another profile, and let's create the store owner profile. So let's register again. If I suppose now Bob is my store owner, so bob Bob is the first name, Bob is the last name, email address is b@b@b.com, password is Bob, confirm password Bob. Let's make him a store owner. So when I click on the store owner radio button, there are three more fields. Three more fields appear: store name, store address, and store ID. So a store owner, while creating his profile, while registering for a on our web application, the store owner needs to know the name of his store, the address of his store, and the store ID, which is provided by the Goodzer API. This field is very important because this is the field using which admin will be able to map the store owner after confirming with the store owner that he is the actual owner of the store. So these three fields are very important. So let's say, for example, that Bob claims to be the owner of the store Champ Sports. So Champ Sports, and the address may be anything, suppose Boston, and the store ID. This is very important. So the store owner should know the store ID, which is provided by the Goodzer API. So here the store ID of Champ Sports is this, which the store owner will know. And as soon as I click sign up, a request for registration will go to the registration request model, which only admin will be able to see. And if the admin accepts this request, only then will the store owner's profile be added to the actives model. So I click sign up and I redirect the user to the landing page. Now, if I log in as ad, oops, admin, admin, and I sign in as admin. So you can see on the top right corner, there's a link for admin, which only admin can see when he logs in with the admin credentials. So if I go then go to that link, so this page appears where there are three tabs. One is the customers list, one is store owners list, and one is the request list. So as you can see that Bob came in the request list, and there are two buttons. One is the accept request button and the other is the decline request button. So if the admin clicks on accept request, then Bob will become a store owner. So Bob will get removed from the request list and will be added to the store owners list. And if I decline Bob's request, being an admin, so Bob will be removed from the request list and not even added in the store owners list. And we have Alice as the customer right now. So let's assume that admin has confirmed that Bob is the owner of the shop which he claims to be, and let's accept Bob's request. So we accept Bob's request over here. So as you can see, Bob got removed from the requests list and got added into the store owner list. Also, admin can access the profiles, and also admin can delete the profiles of customers and store owners. So as you can see, there is this button using which we can edit the profile of this customer Alice, and there's a button for deleting the account of Alice. So let's go to edit. So when we go to edit,
When we go to edit, we go to the store owner's profile and we can see information about his store. We can see the views, his likes, and the favorites his store has gotten, as long as any comments right now, which is blank. We can do the same for products, but again, right now, none of his products have been viewed, so the products tab is also empty. So, now we'll go back to the landing page and now log out as the store owner. I'm sorry, log out as the admin, and now I'm just a regular user who wants to use ShopSmart. So I would type Nike shoes, and in location I'll type something like Boston, and I press a search, and so it redirects me to City Hall Plaza in Boston. So then I can just view the list of shoes and select one. Assume I select this one. So then I can see the name of the shoe, the price. I can see which shop it's from, and the website of the shop. I can see where the store, the location of the store. These three locations has I can see in the same store, similar products which I'm most likely gonna like, and as you can see, they're all very similar to this shoe. Uh, so right now this product hasn't been like commented on or added to favorites. So let's get started. First I'll add it to my favorites. But it prompts me to log in, and that's a premium feature. I guess uh, you have to log in whenever you want to add to favorites or when you want to like or comment. So I'll log in through Alice, who I believe is the uh, a customer. So I will sign in. Yep, and I'm back to the page. And so yeah, I can now add to favorites, and it comes here that you have added this product to favorites. I can even like this product, and I can comment on it saying that nice shoes, and I can post my comment. And yeah, and I could even go to the store. We have a page for the store where uh, where you can similarly add to favorites. So let's do that, and let's like the product, and let's comment on the store something like my favorite store, and I could post, and it gets displayed over here. And one other additional feature that we have is that we can request a lift ride. So first I would so first I can't just directly request a lift ride. I have to choose a destination. So the destination would be one of these three places. Okay, I want to go to Washington Street, so I click this one, and this is going to be my City Hall Plaza is going to be the location where the lift would arrive, my start destination. So now I can see that I have lift line, lift plus, and these are the prices given by the lift API, which is an approximate to how much, which is an approximate figure how much the ride would cost. And say I want to go by lift line, so I click on lift line and I confirm it, and it redirects me to this page where I log in to Lyft. And if I log in, the my cab is actually going to come and wait for me at City Hall Plaza. So I will not do that right now. I'll dismiss and I'll go back and I'll log out. And so I'm back on this page. And we also keep track of the number of views. So if I keep refreshing, it's going to count as a view and it's going to reflect in the store owner's profile. So now let me log in as a store owner. So the credentials of the store owner are Bob and Bob, and I'm going to sign in as a store owner, and I get redirected to the page. So I go to profile page. Um, wow. Well, from the actually from the profile, I'll just do another. I'm the store owner, right? So I'm just gonna uh, show you my favorites, products, and stores. Right now, Bob is empty, so Bob won't have anything. So let me go to the search page, and uh, well, I'll go to the same product, and I can see that this product has been added to favorites, and someone has liked this product, I can like it as well. So you and somebody else will like this product, and I can say I agree, they are good shoes. So I could post my comment, and yeah, and I can see Alice Wonderland, and I can so the user to user interaction is displayed over here. I can comments, I can see all different the users, the comments they've made, and I can click on the name, and it directs me to their page where I can see Alice Wonderland, her gender, city, state, and more details which haven't been filled by Alice, so I can't see them. I can see her favorite products. I can see her stores. I can see who she's following, who she's followed, which is nobody right now. So let's follow her. I follow and I get added to her followers, and I can stop following her as well, and it gets reflected over here. I'm gonna log out as Bob. And yeah, so this is how our application works. Hope it I hope this video has made it easier for users to understand the flow of the application and how to use it properly. Thank you.
The fuck did that link not work, dude?
Fuck, I got a heart attack, dude. अभी ये show ना Bob is छोड़ो ना.
Yeah.
Stopped.
I stopped. Oh, अभी everywhere you will have to check.
Check.
Huh.
Acha, so we checked only on the main page.
Wait, can I continue? Can I continue? I can continue. Fuck, dude.
This was the best part I know.
Wait, this is the main part because this displays the second actor. Without this, it becomes useless. You need to retake the video.
No, but
I'll do it myself if you don't do. We'll do it in 15-20 minutes.
dude,
Quickly, dude.
no, dude.
Doesn't matter. Video won't be.
Fine, fuck it. Don't give any fucks.
No, but video won't be your criteria for evaluation.
Yeah.
Hmm. It's okay.
What he's thinking is ki if the video is very good, then they won't test much.
No, they won't test much. No, I
Yeah,
mean the
but-
video. Yeah, that is one
But they
thing.
won't watch your video for 15 minutes.
I mean, if I was a TA now, I'll just watch the video, see how
No,
it's
you
going,
will
do
do
2-3 more things, and
We
fuck
are
it.
the TS, so we know what happens,
Uh-huh.
and it doesn't happen like that. If a student uploads
Because-
a 15-minute video, we say chutiya hai, and we don't watch his video. No,
Did
no,
it
no,
stop?
no, it stopped.
Oh fuck! It's not. Is this still going on?
Yeah, it is still going on.
Son, how many abuses, bro?
I said stop.